Hi, and welcome to the CreditLogix Client Portal video tutorial. In this video, we will go over everything that you need to know about how the Client Portal works, as well as everything that a client can do within the portal and what they will see. The Client Portal is a valuable tool that will allow you to communicate updates to your clients, share documents, and post relevant media content. Your clients will also be able to view the progress that's being made on their case, upload any necessary documents, view their billing summary, and add payment information seamlessly. The first thing you'll need to do is give your client access. Upon activating a case from a prospect to a client, your client should automatically receive an invitation link. If for some reason you find that you need to do this manually, simply open up a client's case and scroll down the profile page to the Client Contact section. At the bottom of this section, you should see a Client Portal invitation link. If you click here, this will trigger an invitation email that is sent to the client. It will include a link to the portal where they will be able to set their password and log in. When a client logs into the portal, this is what they will see. The site will be white labeled with your company's name here. At the top, you will see a number of tabs. The Home tab includes a summary of the client's credit scores here, along with a dispute summary here. If you scroll down, you will see a section for case contacts. This will display direct contact information for employees who are assigned to work on the client's case. Below that is the History section. The History section displays a time and date stamped log of any actions that have taken place, such as document uploads or added payment information. Clients can also view any communication or updates that you've chosen to share with them about their case through the Activity section of their case. And next to that, you will find the Media section. Here, the client can view any links to articles, published videos, or images that your company chooses to share with them through the portal. The next tab is the Credit Scores tab. This tab allows the client to view their credit score summary by year. You can select which year you would like to view here. The next tab is the Dispute Status tab. This tab allows the client to view each line item from their credit report along with the current status, so they can see where they're at in the process. They can view additional details such as the reason for the dispute and action requested by clicking here on View. Next to that, they can view any of their historical credit reports that have been uploaded by clicking here. The next tab is the Files tab. This section gives your client the ability to download any documents that you have shared with them or upload any documents that you've requested from them. To download a document, click on the document name here under Download. To upload a document, click here on Upload Document. Client documents that have been uploaded through the portal can be found within the Documents tab of the client's case. Finally, we have the Billing tab. The first section is the billing summary. This information listed here will continue to update as invoice items are added or as the client continues to make payments. To the right of the billing summary, the client can see their payment schedule. And below that, you will see a section for banking and credit card information. The client can see information relating to the payment method that they currently have on file. And by clicking on Add Payment Method, your client can update their account with additional credit card, savings, checking, or business checking account information. Now that we've seen what the portal looks like from the client's perspective, let's take a look at how you can manage the portal from within Logix.
There are a number of things that you can do inside Logix to manage the client portal. You can share documents, communicate updates to your clients about their case, post media content, and deactivate a user once their services are complete. To share documents through the portal, simply open up a client's case and click on the Documents tab. After you've uploaded the document that you would like to share, you will see a checkbox that says Share on Portal. Check the box to make your document visible to the client on the portal. If you would like to remove it from their view, just uncheck the box. Communicating information or updates to your client on the portal can also be done within the client's case through their activity log. To add a new activity for the client to view, go to the Activity panel and click New. Add your message and check the Client Visible box here. Any activity, new or existing, can be made visible to the client. To make an existing or automated post, such as a status change, visible to the client, open up the activity by clicking on it and check the Client Visible box. Another exciting feature of Logix Client Portal is the ability to share media content. To access your media log, go to the Administration dropdown and click Client Portal Media. To post new media, click New Media. Here, you can post images, such as a company logo, publicly accessible videos, links to articles, or HTML. Under Media Type, just select which type of media you would like to post in the Media Type field, and then add in either the URL for your media or your HTML. Once you've added this information, give your media selection a name in the Media Name field and click OK. At the beginning of the tutorial, we showed how to invite clients to the portal via the link found on the profile page. To deactivate a client, simply click on the Administration drop-down and click on Client Portal Users. This will bring you to a log of all Client Portal accounts. Here, you can search for users or groups of users by team, creation date, or by entering the user's email address here. Once you've found the user account that you would like to deactivate from the portal, simply click here on the green slide to deactivate the account. So that should be everything that you need to know about the Client Portal. Please feel free to create a test case and send yourself a portal invitation so that you can test out all of the exciting features that we went over in this video. Thank you.